OpenShot 2.6.1 Review. OpenShot is a free video editing software with flexible user interfaces and an increasing number of new useful tools. While some elements may be confusing, it provides a range of options for users. OpenShot is a multi-platform software, available on Windows, Macs, and Linux. However, the latest official version does not support Macs. For those using a Mac, the daily build is the only available option to access a version compatible with their computer. The interface of OpenShot has not been significantly altered, which is an advantage as it offers great versatility and flexibility. Simple and advanced view options are available, as well as the ability to move panels, add and remove them, and convert them into floating windows. The flexibility of the interface allows users to personalize it as desired, which is advantageous. There are also changes and improvements happening. The zoom slider, located above the timeline, provides more control over where one is in the project. It gives a wider view of the timeline and can be adjusted by dragging the blue highlighted section to the right or the left-hand side. The blue section has handles on either side, allowing the user to zoom into or out of a timeline. This provides a convenient and intuitive way to navigate the project. The snapping feature is enabled by default and helps with positioning clips side by side without them overlapping each other. When two clips are close together, they will snap into place as if they have a magnetic attraction. This feature allows users to quickly and accurately resize clips to the duration of adjacent clips, making the time-consuming process of manually adjusting clip length unnecessary. In our testing, this feature operated without any issues. The transformation tools for the clips have been made simpler, thus augmenting the software's animation functions. However, these can at times be confusing. It was not possible to move along the timeline frame by frame using the keyboard arrow keys in OpenShot. The cursor had to be used, though there is a keyboard shortcut to jump from one keyframe to another. The previous version of OpenShot had limited effects. OpenShot 2.6.1 has a few new effects which can be useful, though they may not be as powerful as professional video editing software. To add more sophisticated visual effects to productions, consider pairing OpenShot with Adobe After Effects or other professional software. OpenShot has released two new video effects, Stabilization and Tracker. The analysis of the clip and smoothing of its motion works quite effectively. The quality of the output relies on the quality of the footage. If it is stable, the algorithm will work very efficiently. However, if there is excessive jitter, only a computer algorithm can be used to minimize this. As with most tools, what you receive depends on what you inputted in the first place. OpenShot enables you to select an object and track its movement over the course of a clip. You can also attach objects to this track data and they will move in sync. 9 new audio editing effects have been added, including compressor, expander, distortion, and delay. This is an added bonus as these were not previously available. OpenShot has included the OpenMoji project's vector-based designs, including emojis, although their utility might be questionable to some editors. Clips can be resized, repositioned, and moved around just like regular clips. They will be automatically included in your project files once dropped into the project. A major benefit of still images is that their duration can be adjusted to fit your project needs. Additionally, they have a transparent background, allowing for easy insertion in your timeline over other clips. This new feature could be beneficial if you are creating content for social media, searching for a free video editor app, or interested in vector images. It is a simplistic way to incorporate characters into your videos. Transitions can be overlapped on two clips to create a crossfade transition. Additionally, transitions can be dragged and placed in a project to achieve the desired effect. When inserting the transition between two clips in OpenShot, the first clip will be ignored, creating the transition between a black frame and the second clip. To create a crossfade, drag one clip over another, delete the crossfade and then add any available transition over the overlap. OpenShot has had many improvements over time, introducing new features. Despite this, it can still be challenging for video editors to understand.